Hi, I'm Tash from the student recruitment team here at Coleg Gwent. My job is to give you all the course information you need to help you make an informed decision when choosing your course. We have a huge range of courses to help you achieve your dream career, including full-time, higher education, part-time, or professional qualifications. The student recruitment team are here to help you with any questions or concerns about your course. There's no such thing as a silly question. Or we can also help if you change your mind after you've applied. Our friendly team are on hand to help you confidently choose the right course for you. For more information, visit our website www.colegwent.ac.uk, where you can view all of our courses via the course search. You can contact us by calling 01495 333 777 or emailing hello@colegwent.ac.uk. Courses fill up fast, so the sooner you apply, the better. We look forward to hearing from you.